Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 36. It is from chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we are assuming one nerve impulse must end before another can begin. We need to find the maximum firing rate of a nerve in impulses per second. Okay, so we can look at table 1.3. It's rather large, so let's zoom in. And we can see at the very bottom that the duration of a nerve impulse is 10 to the minus 3 seconds. Okay, so we can write that down. Table 1.3. Duration of a nerve impulse is 10 to the minus 3 seconds. So what we can write is that one nerve impulse happens in 10 to the minus 3 seconds. Okay, so we can bring the 10 to the minus 3 up into the numerator. And when we do that, we flip the sign. And so we will have 10 to the 3. And then we have nerve impulses per second. And that was what we needed to find. This would be the maximum firing rate in impulses per second. And so it's about 1,000 nerve impulses per second. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.